Hello, seventh graders, and welcome to week 3 of online learning. Um, this week, I want you to investigate a little bit on something that's called ASCII code. Um, ASCII, ASCII is how computer programmers used to, at least, get characters to and from places. Like, how do you know what key was pressed on the keyboard? And for a long time, the graphics for a lot of things were in ASCII. I remember when I was a young lad, we went to a place that had a big IBM computer, and they did a printout, and it was of Snoopy, and he was all in ASCII code. Um, so that's been around for a long time, but I'd like you to investigate a little bit what ASCII is. And if you see the screen that's going on here, this is a game that sort of pays homage to ASCII code. And I want you to go ahead and play it. You get a 10-minute demo of this if you go to the website, and I'm going to put the links there so you can go and play through the game a little bit. And if you'll notice, all of the graphics that are on this game are actually like just keyboard graphics. Like there's an @ symbol and the O and the pound sign and the forward slash and the backward slash and all of those kinds of things. And those are all just ASCII characters. In order to do this, you're going to also have to talk a little bit about what is octal and what is hexadecimal. And that goes with the ASCII codes themselves. So you're going to do a presentation that says what ASCII code is, and you're going to tell a little bit about what octal is, a little bit about what hexadecimal is. And then there's another website that I'll show you here called ASCII Art Generator. And here you can upload a picture of something, and it'll generate a picture of that. So, for example, let's go to the school's website, and I'm just going to copy this image. Actually, I'm going to find the address of this. I copied the image address, not the image itself. And I went in here, and I'm going to paste in that image. And when I click start, the website will create some ASCII art for me based on that falcon symbol. And I want you to do the same thing. I want you to go find a picture of something you'd like to turn into ASCII art and include that in your presentation. So some kind of artwork that is comprised of ASCII characters. So these are all just characters that you could type in on your keyboard, and that's how they made that picture. Anyways, I'll let you play around with some of that artwork, but one more time, you're going to make a presentation. It's going to be about ASCII code, so you have to look up and see what ASCII code is and what it was used for. You're going to have to probably talk a little bit about what is octal and what is hexadecimal, so those are two things you'll be looking up and including in your presentation. And then you're free to talk about ASCII and games, and so you can play around with this game a little bit. It's just a 10-minute demo, but it is kind of fun. It's kind of like a little adventure game. And then also find some kind of a some kind of graphic. It could be a picture, it could be a drawing, and upload it into this site, which I'll also give a link to turn whatever you submit to it into ASCII art. Okay? All right. Your assignment, again, is due on Friday. Please stay on top of your studies and use your time wisely. But you're going to make a presentation that includes all of that stuff and turn it in by Friday, okay? All right. Good luck to you. Everybody stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you soon.